Recently, we posted a video up to the Radan guys that's demonstrated a plugin that we have inside Radan called Quick Estimate Projects. Now, we did that with a DXF file, but there was a suggestion that said, hey, could you do that with a 3D model? So that's what we're going to do today. Welcome back, everyone. This is Mike Brookman. I am a technical sales specialist here with Radan. So let's dive right in. We're going to pop over to 3D. We're going to browse out to our file here, and we're going to select this guy. As you can see, this is an assembly. It's got a variety of different sheet metal components. We're simply just going to unfold that right into our Radan project. I'm going to escalate this up to maybe 6 of them, modifies our quantities, and we're just going to import that into our list of parts to produce. Once they're in Radan, it's very similar to what we did with the DXF files. We simply just come up here to the plugins and we select that we want to do Quick Estimate Project. Now again, what happens in the background here is it goes out and it grabs those parts. It applies the tooling to whatever machine you have selected. In our case, it's a laser. So it's examining the internal and the external features. It's applying the toolpath to it, and then it removes it. And during this process, it's developing the estimation of cost to that particular part. In a moment here, we'll see the parts kind of flash up. You'll see them blank, and then you'll see a little flash, and then they'll have the toolpath applied, and then it's removed. It's going to process each of these parts in the same process, and then we'll nest up this group of parts to see what we get for our results. This is a very quick process. As you can see, we're almost finished with these parts. Now the last thing we need to do is simply just run the nester. Again, we're running the nester with full automation today, which means that it's actually going to nest the part layout, then it's going to apply the toolpath to it. It's going to then examine it for order, how it's going to process the actual sheet for cutting. It's going to compile the code and then save that code out to where the machine can retrieve the block file. And then just me trying to explain this, it's nearly finished this grouping of parts. So there we are. We've got 6 of those assemblies produced with cost estimation. So let's look at a report real quick. Here's one of the reports we have is with a thumbnail of the part, kind of gives some detailed information about the part, a bounding box, how much it weighs, approximate cost of what it's going to make to make one, and then the cost of what it's going to make the lot that you have for run. So in this case, 12. And it does that for all of the parts. Notice it's got different materials. We've got CRS 060. We also have CRS 036 and 39. The other report that we have is a very simple report where it's just grouping the parts, no thumbnails, just how many we need. That's an individual cost, and then a total cost for the amount required, and then a total cost of the entire project. Hopefully you found that useful, guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. But until next time, this is Mike with Radan. We'll see you in the next one.